Alright, so here she is. The Kelty Coyote 105. Yeah, it's a big backpack, I'll tell you that. You know, I've been wanting a bigger pack for a while. And had it worked out, this would have been the Country River Products 65 liter pack, but it wouldn't fit in the shoulders and it wasn't working for me. And as far as I know, they haven't made any adjustments. And I haven't even filled the thing up all the way yet. Wow, so about 12 Jeeps just went screaming by. It was like 12 Jeeps, but there was one truck with a trailer pulling a Jeep. So anyway, I'm doing this on the tailgate because it'll be easier than trying to do it out there in the woods. This top compartment here is where I put my my tarp, my emergency tarp, and my emergency Snickers bar. What else did I throw in here? That might be it. Yeah, I think that's it. And there's a little mesh pocket right inside here, probably for your cell phone or something. I wanted to tarp on top so I could, it would be the first thing I grabbed if it was raining. And then it has, I opened up the top here, flip it back, and as you can see, I've got a ton more room. I mean, I don't know if I can even get that all in the camera. I got a lot of extra space, but you know what I could throw in here? I could throw in, you know, some layers, some top layers. Got my little kettle here. I'm going to do some tea. And I could throw my green fleece or rain gear. You know, and of course you want to keep it right on top, so it's, you know, I got my rain poncho in case it was raining. You know, the first thing I open and grab, in case it was raining, I could just grab it, throw it on. I don't think I'm going to be doing a full bag dump, but yeah, it's still got the newness to it. Wow, another car. Okay, so on each side it has a pretty sizable, I mean, I got my other camera in here, fire kit in here. I mean, if you see by my hand, I got large hands. That's a emergency space blanket. I'm going to make charcoal off today. So it's a pretty sizable pocket, and one on each side, which is a nice feature. I like that they have pockets. It's got a mesh pocket on the bottom here. I don't know, I can't tell if I can flip out the screen here. Mesh pocket on each side. A big, man, about 7 more vehicles went by. There must be a group thing going on. Got the adjustments here on the bottom. And this whole bottom here is full of my sleep system. I've got my poncho, my pillow, my snug pack jungle blanket. I've got my Country River Products what's it called? The Country River Products fleece. I got just a couple of these bags in case stuff is wet. I can just throw it in the bag. And then I've got the thermoreactor in here as well. So I've got a lot of sleep system items in here. I mean, I decided not to go with the stuff sack or not to go with the compression dry bag. Opted for just putting them in their original stuff sacks, like the jungle blanket. Almost forgot my pillow. slip that in there. Yeah, I'm ready to spend the night with this for sure. Where is it? Cinch that down. It has, this might be tough to do with the saw here, but I'll have to take it off. Couple napkins. Got a spare tripod for my other camera, but it's got a zipper here on the side, so you can either access it from the top or this side here. And I got all my goodies in here: my cook pot, my stove, my glove, which I just bagged up, my BK7, which I'll go ahead and throw on my belt, my cook kettle, my rain gear on top. It's nice, I don't have to open the top to access it. They got this Nalgene here, a water bottle. Yeah, let's get into the woods and get away from all the damn traffic. There must be something going on today. Some kind of a, hey, let's all go out and go forward on a jeeping or whatever the hell they're going to do. 4x4. It's kind of a quick overview of the pack. Literally, it's my first outing with it, so tripod might be a bit much, but it'll be when I actually start filming, it'll be nice to have it. Of course, you got the straps here that cinch down the top. There we go. Forgot to mention two things on this front the waist belt. This will be on the right side. It has a mesh pocket, probably for like either bug spray or like sunscreen or something. And on this other side, if I walk around the tripod, it has a zippered pocket. So if you want to keep like your camera for taking pictures, it'll be right there on your waist belt. And it's a pretty padded waist belt with this back here for, you know, airflow, if you can see that. Yeah, so. Plus you got the little loops on here, so if you want to hang stuff like a water bottle, I've seen people do that. Yeah, I'll say this, there's a bit in here, but it carries pretty comfortably. I gotta adjust these upper straps next time I get it off. I can't seem to grab them, but there she is. I mean, it looks big and bulky, but it's actually pretty comfortable. So let's get out to the woods.